calling in my favors. If you love me, gon' push me. Said I'm calling in my favors. If you support me, then book me. Look, I'm calling in my favors. Friend, gon' share my shit. Said I'm calling in my favors. If you with me, show that shit.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
You ain't
Not you excited. Say hey to my vlog. Hey. You want to say hey to my vlog?
Yeah.
Thank you. The girlie.
We can be able to take it to the lunch.
Child. What she tell me? One? Yeah. 3. Oh, she only did 1, 2, 1, 2.
Yeah.
Oh. You want to say hey to my vlog? I do YouTube. Child. I'm sweating.
I can believe how it's there.
It got to be the her.
You said you're scared of heights.
Huh?
You're scared of heights.
Who?
Oh, shit. You said you're scared of heights. Oh, you said you were high.
I said I was hot. She said it's my hair.
Yeah.
Probably is. But and I did have a long sleeve on. I had to come up out this thing. I came from. I was doing a interview for my nonprofit.
Yeah. With the extra little. Tap your hands together and tap your toes. If you are a 1, if you're a 1, hold your hands out. 1. Tap your hands together and go tap the toes. Go back.
Oh Lord, child.
If you're a 1.
This way is broken.
1. All right, boys.
Yeah.
It's a button on it, like a controller. Whatever arm is up, that's what we start walking with. So our right arm is up, we're going to start walking with our right foot. I want you to think about the base of this pole as a clock. When I say a clock, this is my 12 o'clock. This is my 3 o'clock. This is 6. This is 9. Okay. So let's walk. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and walk. 12, 3, 6, 9. Yeah, go again. 12, 3, 6, 9. Now switch the hands. Turn your body around. Everybody, let's go. 12, 3, 6, 9. Go again. Nice, okay? Now let's talk about our speed. We're going to do a fireman speed. The arm is high. This arm is out here. This is our seatbelt on, right? Because we're buckling up. All right, first base. So now here, outside legs out, toe or point. And if you don't have on shoes, I need you to be on your point of your toe. Because your toe, and you're on the ball, you're always on the point of our toe. Like a ballerina. So this is 1, return to the pole, this is 2. Hook the ankle, hook the ankle, hook the ankle. So here, ankle, and ankle, open your hip, turn your knee out to the mirror. Yes, I was gonna keep saying it to me. I don't know how I'm like, keep saying ankle. Yeah, so let's go back. This is 1. Turn it. This is 2. I'm going to sit my boot down. This is 3. I'm going to fall. I'm going to my back foot. Let's try it again. Here we go. This is 1. Look at this is 2. Sit my boot on 3. I'm going to fall. Pick up the next one.
It was fun though. That pole threw me around. I'm waiting on. They feel about that?
Cause
Lord.
Girl, how you gonna do it? Your hands ain't gonna
Y'all be sick of me. This ain't what I should have came and learned. Cause baby.
Okay, we go to the pint.
Down in the valley.
Toes are pointed. We're gonna turn our body here. It's okay. Hook it with your ankles. You know you have your ankle. Open your hips up. Turn your knee out. Nice. Sit your booty low. I want you to pull this toe at the top. Hold it tight here. I'm gonna fall and pick up my back foot. Yeah. Breathe. Come on, down in the valley. Okay. Now close your eyes. Please don't close your eyes. Keep your eyes open. Let's try it again. This is one. We're here one. We're gonna turn our body completely to around two. Send my booty low, free. I'm gonna fall. Pick up my baby. Woo! Here we are. Okay, this one, come on. Let's dance it out.
We gonna what?
Dance it out.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we got real instructions. We're gonna start walking with this right foot for 3 steps. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, spin.
When you wrap me in the dark, tonight's the night you get it on. I love the way you taste. Put my hair in my name. I don't touch you, can't escape. I hear you say I'm sorry, and I promise what's your time.
This is our new hobby. I like this.
When you wrap me in the dark, tonight's the night you get it on. I love you when you taste. Hold my hand and say my name. I'll rip you tight, you can't escape. Then I hear you say I'm sorry, and I promise we should tie. And I'm not the first time. I know you like it nasty.
Okay, now who wants to do it one more time?
They're doing good. Shoes will always have my heart. As long as they sell these triple dipper, I'll be here. I get the exact same thing every time. You
go out of business. Applebee's. I was just about to say that.
I tell them that I'm bossy and cocky. I want four rings like a Audi, like my new whip, yeah, he